Namaste, my name is Akshita, student of class 9 from Saraswati Shishamani Senior Secondary School. Today we are going to ask an interview from our school staffs. Come, let's ask some questions from ma'am. Excuse me ma'am. Yes. Hello ma'am. Yes. Ma'am, can I ask you some questions? You know from where our school waste is collected?
Yeah, the waste will be collected from our craft rooms, like science labs, more specifically from our classrooms, like the kids goes from class nursery to fifth. They are wasting most of the papers, even pencil scraps, like rubbers, and even from our computer labs, and even the kitchen which are in our school. From that also the which we are using for tea and all the waste will be collected.
Does the school have a composting program and what materials they compost?
Yeah, recently after that Saraswati Puja, there will be most dry flowers, even that wrappers, vegetable peels, and fruits will be left. Okay, so that all will be composted in the back of our schools, and that will be after 2 or 1 month we will be used as a manure for plants and the flower plants which we garden in our schools. Even we can compost the papers which we left, that also we can recycle it, and we are now trying to the bottles or a scraps which they are left, that will be used for a craft purpose.
Question from you ma'am. Is there any department which collects our school waste and if so, which one and where they compost it?
Yeah, from every day they are coming from municipal department in morning time, so they will collect our school waste, and after that it will be taken by municipal department to a bridge kiln where they will be compost and segregates the waste into a metal ones and the red ones and the plastic ones. So by this they can easily recycle and it will be helpful our nature.
Thank you ma'am.
I am Tanya of class 10. Today we are going to take interview from our principal sir related to waste management in our school campus. Namaste sir. Today I am going to ask some question related to waste from you. So my first question is, what are your general thoughts about waste management in our school campus?
So waste management in school campus is very helpful in maintaining cleanliness and promotes a healthy learning, which promotes and develops the students' sense of responsibility towards studies. School is not only the place for academic learning, but also cultivating skills and values. By practicing proper waste system, the environment like recycling and reducing single-use plastics and single-use materials like plastics, students learn the importance of environmental protection. A clean campus is also they encourage discipline, respect, and for the nurture and creates a positive atmosphere among the students as well as the staffs. In the long run, effective waste management in schools contributes to building environment consciously and citizens who will care for society and the planet.
Sir, my next question is, how do you see your role as a principal on promoting waste management in our school?
As a principal, my role is promoting waste management in school is to set an example and create a culture of cleanliness and responsibility. I ensure that proper system for waste segregation and disposals are followed. Encourage teachers and students to adopt eco-friendly practices and organize awareness programs, then activities and projects on waste reduction and recycling. By motivating the school community and involving the parents as well, I help to make the campus clean, green and environmentally responsible.